Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to activate developer mode on any Android phone. So if you're thinking of activating developer mode on any Android phone for a particular reason, then this video is for you. So settings, visit settings, and scroll down to the last path or to the last menu. That's the about phone. If you can't find it, you can make good use of the search button. So you can just tap on the search button in here and search for about phone. So right in here, that's about phone. That's for if only you can't find the about phone menu. So just scroll down and select about phone. And select software information. Select software information. So you realize in here there are lots of options in here. Select build number. So tap on the build number, tap on it multiple times till it asks you to confirm via your lock screen or your PIN, any type of lock screen that you've used. So tap on the build number, tap on it. So if you don't have any lock screen activated, they won't ask you to confirm that. But if you have a lock screen activated, the moment you keep tapping on it, it will ask you to input in whether your PIN, your password, anything. But if there's no lock screen, then you tap on it multiple times and that's it. You are now a developer. So you just have to go back. You realize in here the developer mode is the last option in here. So you just have to scroll down to the last one, developer mode, and that's it. It has already been turned on. So that's how easy and simple it is to turn on your developer mode. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.